Hello, hi everyone. Ankit Malik this side, continuing the video ahead for representing the two-bedroom size of the MR Digi home of size 1508 square feet. Yuvraj ji, please continue ahead with a more description about the bedrooms of the MR Digi homes two-bedroom. Why the people should take this project of MR from the portfolio of MR Dubai on the golf course extension road in the most primest sector. So let's take the journey ahead with the two-bedroom sample along with the specifications which will be going to mention here.
Absolutely. So the size of two bedrooms are 1508 square feet, which is the superlative area, and it's a semi-furnished apartment. So we'll also describe about the specification. We are giving a video phone. There's a video phone door lock over here. You would press a button. There's a multi-functional portable tablet given inside the door of the apartment through which the entire video conferencing and security could be maintained. Moving forward, you will notice a very heavy quality door, which we call factory engineered wooden door, which also comes with a specific function, and that is to block out fire for about 1.5 hours. This will help us to increase the safety and security of all of the occupants within the building, right?
So you can see the quality of the wood which they have been used. It's a very engineered wood, and along with the wood they have uses the four hinges to support the door. तो एक बहुत ही small चीज़ है जो हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं. This is one, this is two, this is three, and this is four. So these are the four hinges. So whenever you are going to enter any of the door of any of the product, please check the number of hinges also, because it is also been maintained that what type of quality the builder and the brand are providing to you. So right entering in front of the MR Digi Homes two bedroom 1508. So let's take the things ahead, sir.
So this is a living in dining, a very massive size. Considering it's a two-bedroom apartment, the living area is almost about 11 by 17 and a half. The dining is very decent size, which has been placed just opposite the kitchen, which increased the aesthetic look of the entire apartment. And what makes DG Home apartment very special is that all of the apartments are corner apartments, and all of the apartments will have three sides of opening. The first opening of the apartment comes with a beautiful size, which is with the living area, right?
सो अगर बालकनी की बात करें तो सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज इसके साथ ये है कि यू हैव ऑल द बालकनीज विच आर प्लेस्ड एट द कॉर्नर एंड दीज आर द वेल lit balconies. So अगर वी शो यू द साइज ऑफ द balconies, so they are very spacious balcony and the width is also very good of these balconies. So you have a beautiful balconies which you can design the way you want. Plus you have the specification of the glass and the steel railing on the balcony and having a beautiful view of the garden and the green areas from the balcony. So another question is, sir, why Digi Homes? Why you called it a Digi Homes? Why makes this apartment of MR Digi Homes is more digital as compared to that of? So what technical specialities you are providing inside this project which makes it more Digi?
Right. So digital is basically a symbolic word, which means technological driven apartment. So it has multiple meaning to it. For example, the entire product is GREHA certified, wherein we have got 4-star ratings. The kind of a construction technology which we are using, the kind of architect which we are using, it's all technological driven and latest. Another a very layman example to what DigiHome means is the kind of a home automation packages which we are offering. So in a home automation package, you would get Google devices or voice control devices which will enable you to talk to your apartment or text your apartment from any remote location in order to control the lighting, air conditioning, curtains, basically all of the electronical items. Within the package, you would get a smart camera, which would be placed over there. It will help you to connect with your family when you're not there in the town. It will also help you to increase the safety and security of the entire apartment. Then we are also adding motion sensors within the washroom, which will help you to save electricity. It will become more convenient. Within the master bedroom, there will be a panic button. Along with this, there are multiple sensors to again increase the safety and security of your loved ones, which include fire sensors, gas leak sensors. They will be placed within the apartment, specifically within the kitchen area.
So great. So it's from this the name inspires the Digi Home.
Absolutely.
So that if you are not inside your apartment and if you are somewhere outside, so you can control the devices along with by saying Alexa or Google Play, and they will keep the things working for you, either the microwave or the washing machine on the basis of the mobile application which you can install later in your phone, and it has been connected with the devices placed at your apartment with the Google or Alexa application, home automation, we can call it basically. So this is the kitchen which you are seeing it here. So what are the things which we will get inside the kitchen?
Right. As part of the standard specification, we have included a modular kitchen, which would include your upper cabinets, lower cabinets, chimney, hob, and a small kitchen geysers, right? this particular kitchen, considering a 2-bedroom, the size of a family, it has a decent amount of storage spaces. I think the big point from the kitchen is the kind of a quality which we are trying to provide in a small segment product. Eliga brands of chimney hob, modular kitchen, all of them comes with a soft close setup. And to complete this kitchen, there's a beautiful size of a utility balcony.
So here we comes with the utility balcony. So utility balcony का सबसे अच्छी चीज़ ये है कि इसका भी काफ़ी अच्छा एरिया है, and they had the washing area this side. They have the beautiful green area which you can see from the balcony of the kitchen also, and the VRV, they have put at the units of VRV inside the units of the kitchen. So this is, you can see it's a very big and spacious kitchen which you can find in the MR Digi Homes. And this is, we are going to see, have a look of the another bedroom. So from the kitchen, we are going to have a look of the another bedroom. So here comes, we are going to enter in the another bedroom.
So this becomes a small passage which will connect your master bedroom on my right, second bedroom on my left, and here there is a common washroom which will be there for the second bedroom and the living area. So it's basically a 2-bedroom and 2-washroom set, right?
So we are going to have a look of the washroom so that you get an exact idea with what type of washroom you will get inside the product.
So this is your master bedroom. The door would be placed over here. On the left hand side, you would see there is a space wherein you can create your maybe a dresser area or a walk-in closet kind of a concept. The good part here to notice is the closet space is completely separate from the main usable area of the apartment, which will give more movable space within the bedroom. And there is one covered space over here, and there's a separate covered space over there, which is as good as twice the size of a normal cupboard. So in a 2-bedroom, what we have often seen from the customer is problem for storage areas, which are very limited. Here
and none of the product, I would like to highlight one more point, none of the product can have 2 wardrobes area inside the same master bedroom.
And
so this is
completely separate.
Yeah, and these are 2 completely separate. So if you are having the 2 person are living, so they can use the separate 2 wardrobes for their own usable item, and vestibules are being given inside the walls, so that the whatever the area you have inside the bedroom, that is totally the usable area. So you can see the here. And what are these ducts, sir, which we have provided in the bedrooms? For these are the AC ducts.
Yes, we have not used conventional air conditioning technology. It's a modern air conditioning technology wherein you would have your air conditioning supplied through ductings. Ductings would be given in your living, dining, and a master bedroom to give a more open and a neat look to the entire apartment. And even with the washroom, the kind of a size, the kind of a specification brand which we are offering, this is again offered in a very high-end apartments. The idea for our apartment is to give our customer a very aspirational living, whether it is the look and feel of the property, the apartment specification, the amenities. Just have a look for the apartment.
So we are unboxing the master bedroom washrooms of the MR Digi Homes of the 2-bedroom. So these are all the fittings of the high-end brands which you are getting inside the washroom. Plus you have the proper ventilation also. So आपको high-end fittings देने के साथ-साथ, so all the fittings are of, you can see up here is of Kohler. Along with the Kohler, you will get all the high-end fittings, and you are getting the ventilation also inside your master bedroom. So we are having this Alexa. So is it Alexa or Google Play?
So right now we are not specifying any brand, what brand we'll be using.
Okay.
Because most of the items which are electrical, they would be purchased at time of possession or at the time of installation.
Yeah.
But yes, the package, if you would want to upgrade it to a package, all of these fittings, all of the items would be promised by the company. There is a very decent sized balcony right over here.
Yo, it's a beautiful view of the Aravali, sir.
Yes.
It's a beautiful Aravali facing balconies. So सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि balconies जो हैं, they either face the Aravali and the green area by default, क्योंकि गुड़गांव के अंदर जो अरावली बेल्ट है वो वर्ल्ड की सेकंड लार्जेस्ट अरावली बेल्ट है, जो it comes to the Jaipur, then it comes to the South Gurgaon and all that, and जितने भी high end products हैं including the Mahindra and all those things, they, if you take a little height, you just enjoy the beautiful scenic view of the Aravali inside from taking the unit on the, because there is no further construction after these products, and every area is the low rise. So here we are standing in the balcony which is connected with both the bedrooms of the 1508 size, and here we are in the another bedroom of the 1508. So what are the specifications we are giving in this project, sir? We are giving along with all the high-end automation wala part. In the Digi Homes we have a beautiful layout. So again in this project they have the vestibule which is inside the walls. So what's the main thing of giving vestibules inside the walls, sir?
See, the idea is, even though it's not your master bedroom, but the size is very comfortable. If you could see, the side tables are placed, they still have a more space to next to them. There's a small study table which is already in place. There's a very decent size space for a covered area. So the idea is the layouts are actually made for end users, and there's a lot of comfort that we have tried to give within the layouts for apartments.
And सबसे अच्छी बात, the ceiling height is also very good, which I don't found in most of the product. So along with the specifications, आपको home automation वाला part मिलता है. Along with that, you will get the wooden floorings in the bedrooms. You will get the totally modular kitchen with upper cabinet, lower cabinet, chimney, hob, and you will get the fully modular washrooms inside the product. So this is all what the combination you will get. Along with that, you will get the AC also inside the two bedrooms and in the living dining area. So let's have a look of the another size, sir, which we have in this MR Digi Homes of the 3-bedroom plus utility. And then here we are unboxing the another 3-bedroom size of the MR Digi Homes.
Right. So this is 3.5 BHK, which is 2567 square feet. This would become the starting. The doors, the quality of door lock, the main entrance door, it would be the same as that we have seen in the 2-bedroom. The only change in a 3-bedroom is, apart from your main door, all of the other internal door height will be same as this particular door, which is about 8.5 feet. The flooring would be Italian marble, and basically an imported marble flooring would be given. And the moment you would enter, on the left hand side is a half bedroom, which is very decent size. So this helps a particular family to be able to, meet their family requirements. For somebody, it could be a study or a store or a servant or a co-working space. If you have a certain profession wherein you need a proper professional space within the apartment, this becomes a beautiful setup. The size, the layouts, everything is there. There's an opening to a glass door which will lead you towards a utility balcony, wherein on your left there's a washroom and on your right there's an access to a kitchen. So this becomes a proper servant quarter or a caretaker room if a family requires.
Yeah, because of post-COVID, there is by default enhancing the demand of the study, because on the same time the people uses a multiple some office space also or some store also for using their utilization or the office work. So this store is inside your apartment. If you think it is outside, it can be used as a servant, but since it's inside the apartment, so I prefer mostly people uses this area as an office space, puja or a store or a kids room also. So we are standing currently in the kitchen of the MR Digi Homes 3-bedroom plus a store, having a size of 2566 square feet, and this is a very beautiful layout of the kitchen. So what are the again specifications, sir, which we get in this kitchen?
It's a very modern kitchen, and because of this glass facade, it increased the aesthetic look of the entire kitchen area. What we're giving will be a regular glass which is placed right here, chimney hob, lower cabinets, all modular fittings. This and you'll get upper cabinets, granite sink, and again lower cabinets over here. So a lot of storage spaces is there to make sure that the storage requirement for the kitchen would be properly met. And all of the fittings again which we are using is all extremely high-end fittings. We are not compromising in any of the brands and any of the fixtures. Moving forward, there is a utility balcony here. So even I think it's a very thoughtful design, wherein you would notice that there is a separate space that has been built to keep a washing machine over there, and there's a separate space over here to store this massive PRB unit. So PRB unit will be part of the 3-bedroom option with the Digi Homes. Then to support this half bedroom, there's a very decent sized washroom.
Yeah, that is a very thoughtful design. So they have just kept it separate. So, and this balcony also has the view of the Aravali basically once you just book in this unit, and the layout is again very spacious. So by standing in the kitchen, you will have the view of the living and dining area also, so that you can see what's going on inside the living and dining area. So along with the cooking, you can see the type of guests which you have been there in the living and dining area. This is the another bedroom which comes in the MR DG Homes, 3 bedroom plus a store, and here we comes. So here we are standing on the living and dining area of the MR Digi Homes. So you will get a Botticino Italian marble in this. You will have the AC units inside the living dining area. You have 3 AC in the 3 bedrooms. You have a modular kitchen. And सबसे बड़ी बात, you have a very well ventilated balcony for the proper ventilation, for the proper air circulation inside your apartment. So let's have the size of the balcony which the people would enjoy by buying a unit in the MR Digi Homes. So here I'm standing in the balcony. So you can see the total area of the balcony having the glass and the steel, beautiful facade. Again, you will enjoy the green view from the unit. On the another side, if you want to have workout also, और ये इतनी बड़ी balcony है that you can have the couches also, you can have the vertical landscaping also in this balcony. It is a very decent size balcony. So this here we comes with the living and dining area. So सबसे पहले हम enter हुए, you saw one store. Along with one store, we have 1 bedroom also here. We will show you later. Now we are just entering in the another 2 bedrooms, and we will show the entrance of the first bedroom later onwards. So here from the living and dining area, we comes with the another 2 bedrooms.
Right. Again, a very convenient passage which connects two of your bedroom. This one is a master bedroom. This one is your second bedroom. So it's very decent size bedroom.
सबसे अच्छी बात क्या लगी है युवराज सर, they separated the 3 bedrooms in different corners, so that if some guest is come, they can have the separate first bedroom which you can keep your guest as a separate guest bedroom, and your 2 bedrooms along with you and your kids are being combined together. So that is the most aesthetic layout which I found in one of such type of products basically.
Excellent observation. Even with the interior themes, we have kept this as the master bedroom wherein the couples would be taking. This becomes your kids' bedroom. The entire decoration and the interior setup has been done by them. And the third bedroom has been converted into a family lounge with a sofa cum bed, so that in case of a guest, that becomes a proper guest bedroom.
So let's come to the first bedroom of the MR Digi Homes on the left hand side of the living and dining area. So here we goes. So it's a proper 3 bedroom with a proper ventilation and proper size ceiling heights, proper 2 windows for the proper air circulation, and it has been connected with the big balcony which is being connected with the living and dining area. So you can also enjoy the coffee along with the guests who are coming up in the living and dining area. So we have placed the wardrobes, we have placed everything in the living dining area. You can see the again false ceiling, so it is of a great height of 10.5 feet approximately. And here comes the washroom of the MR Digi Home. So this can be used as a guest washroom. So if any of your guests are come up, they can use this washroom, and then you can take the things ahead. So they also get all the high-end fitting fixtures inside the washroom. So you are getting again the fixtures of the Kohler inside the washroom, and all the proper ventilation, proper ducts are being there. Here we comes with the master bedroom. So this is a beautiful design master bedroom. We comes along with that.
Absolutely. So this is about 17.5 feet in terms of the length. And what completes this master bedroom is beautiful layout of this washroom, which is completely done up in natural stone, your marble fittings, and a private deck. So private deck is basically a very massive independent balcony for this particular bedroom.
So सबसे अच्छी बात ये है, they have the beautiful wardrobe areas where you can design the wardrobes as per your own choice. You have the beautiful laminated wooden flooring. You have the AC inside the unit. You have the washroom, which is a fully loaded washroom with all the high-end fitting fixtures and everything. And then you have a very great balcony to relax, enjoy and rejoice. So this balcony is again very huge, facing the Aravali green belt, and it's a very big balcony. If I can show you from this side, it's a very wide and deep balcony. So
It's about 6 feet in terms of the width and about 7.5 feet in terms of the length.
yeah, so
And you would be getting wooden tiles over here just to give a good, aesthetic.
So very big balcony, very great aesthetic look of the MR Digi Homes, and it again faces the Aravali if you will take it at a certain height. So
Have a look with the way we have done the washroom. There's a small space which we have built to create a dresser or a wardrobe right here. Everything that you see has been finished with natural stone. Shower cubicle have been added. It will give more purpose to the entire washroom. And the best part that you would have noticed, Ankit, wherever you walk, whether it's a bedroom or a washroom or any space, you will always find an opening to natural light and ventilation, which gives a more open feel to the entire apartment.
So this is the part which the majorly the architect plays of any of the apartment. So let me take you that who is the architect inside this project of the MR Digi Homes. So let's taking the things ahead. So if I'm speaking for the architect point of view of the Digi Homes, it is entirely being designed by the Morphogenesis. So the entire facade, entire product has been designed by the Morphogenesis. And let me take you inside the third bedroom.
Third bedroom comes with an attached washroom. It's a typical apartment bedroom style, which is 2.5 by 12.
So here we comes with the third bedroom, which has been separated very ideally from these another two bedrooms. So if you're any of the guests can come, they can use it and being separated from the rest of the family with a attached washroom, with a very beautiful designed wooden flooring, with a well designed balcony also, which is a closed balcony but has a proper ventilation, and the washroom is again fully loaded. So you have all the beautiful fittings, you have all the beautiful fixtures inside the washroom again of the Kohler, and a beautiful layout, very one of the most finest layout of the unit which you have inside the project of MR Digi Homes of size 2566 with the 3 bedroom plus utility or store or office you can call it, and at a very perfect location on the golf course extension road. So let me take you another things of the same project and then takes you the thing ahead. Beautiful design product, thoughtful concept, thoughtful location, designed by Morphogenesis, construction by Kalpatru, and landscaping by Oracle. So these are the three things which have been on board. It's totally 100% the concrete product which construction has been done, and here we have the suggestion of the tentative costing of the 2 bedrooms comes within a budget bracket of I thought 1.7, and the 3 bedroom plus a store comes within a budget bracket of
2.80. These are the current pricing for our 50/50 payment plans, right? The pricing and inventory structure would keep changing with different timelines.
And सबसे बड़ी बात गुड़गांव के सारे developers has started enhancing the prices, so we can shift any time any deviation from the prices, because DLF, Godrej, M3M, all other developers have enhanced the prices. MR and Conscient will also going to be revise the prices very soon. So this is the suggestion. अगर हम height की बात करें, one point we left about the height of the entrance lobby, so that is again the 30 feet I thought.
See, there is guest lounges. That same experience is what we're trying. Just to add more confidence to our clients, we are separately showing the material board, basically a sample material board which includes the kind of a fixture and fittings which we have used within the sample apartment.
Perfect, perfect, sir. So here we come with the tower lobby of MR Digi Homes. So tentatively जो tower की lobby रहेगी, that will be of the great height of approximately 30 feet की height रहेगी. Or this will be the sum of the facade of the MR Digi Homes which you will find inside the product. So it's been designed by the Morphogenesis. You have the beautiful landscaping, and it is on the golf course extension road. And the configuration of this product is basically for the 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom plus store luxury apartment. So this is the view which you found from the balcony of your apartment. What are the another specifications which you have? So these are the 3 beautiful towers Tower A, Tower B, and Tower C, designed by the Morphogenesis. So all the mesh shape design, all the mesh shape luxury design which you are seeing is inspired from the Morphogenesis. So from the security level point, you have all the high level of security, including the high sensors, automation part inside the product of MR DigiHomes. What makes it more advantageous, 30,000 square feet of clubhouse of 3 level, having all the modern facilities, having all the modern infrastructure design, makes it a more different. So if you are speaking of from the lap pool or from the swimming pool, so another design which makes it more better is the temperature control swimming pool, which remains workable throughout the year. So this also makes it more perfect. If I'm speaking about the location, so you are seeing the location of the MR DigiHomes. It is surrounded, it is in front of AIPL Business Club, Imperia Commercial and Bani City Center. It is surrounded mostly by the major office spaces buildings. If you look up its connectivity, it is very well connected through the metro stations, major schools, hotels and hospital. So it's one of the most prime catchment area on the Golf Course Extension Road. Everything is in very nearby vicinity, and let me take you through the model of MR DigiHomes. So this is a model of MR DigiHomes with the 3 beautiful towers which have been placed at the 3 different diagonal corners inside the product. So what the things make it different, the front design which you are seeing is a mesh shaped design. It is being designed by the Morphogenesis. Morphogenesis is one of the most finest architect inside the India, and it's very well known globally. So all the Trump Towers, Mahindra Luminaire, Salcon Verandas, DLF Camellias, again been designed by the Morphogenesis. So on the ground floor, we don't have any apartment. Your car enter and it goes directly to the basement ramp, and it is a 2 level of basement ramp. So once your car enter inside the MR DigiHome, so it goes directly to the basement, and from basement it reaches your tower lobby, and from your tower lobby it reaches to your apartment. So on the ground floor, they have made a beautiful recreational areas like co-working, like indoor sports, along with the 30,000 square feet of clubhouse, which have all the amenities like your swimming pool, multi-purpose hall, indoor sports amenities, squash courts, indoor gaming zones. All the things would be placed in the 30,000 square feet of clubhouse. And this is Tower A, this is Tower B, and this is Tower C. The height is ground plus 32 story. The apartment begins from the first floor onwards till the 32nd floor, and ground floor does not have any apartment. Ground floor has the beautiful lobby. If you can see the periphery, it is again totally covered by the boundary of trees. Total project boundary is again covered by the trees. So along with the trees, they have the beautiful amenities inside the project. You have the amphitheater, you have the half basketball court, you have the tennis court with the floodlit lights, so you can play even at the night also. So this is the exit ramp. So your car can come there, you can be at the 30 feet drop off lobby of every tower, and this is the exit. This is again the amphitheater which you are seeing up here. So this is again in front of your Tower C. Tower C has not yet opened for the sale. They will open shortly for the sale of the Tower C. Currently Tower A and Tower B are open for the sale. So Tower B and Tower C have the size and configuration of the 2-bedroom of size 1508, and Tower A has the configuration of size 3-bedroom, which is 2566 square feet, having the beautiful recreational area. This is again one of the finest amphitheater with a lot of water bodies, gazebos and everything. So according to me, this project get a very good rating because it is being constructed by Kalpataru. It is designed by Morphogenesis. It is the first 100% residential product from the MR Dubai portfolio. Its landscaping is done by Oracle, and it is one of the most premium location, and they have the combination of 3 and 2-bedroom apartments. So according to me, you should opt for this with a payment plan of 50-50. The superstructure of all the 3 towers are already been ready, so they will hand over possession next year till December. And within the payment plan, 2-bedroom starts from 1.7 CR and the 3-bedroom starts from 2.8 CR onwards. So for any other configuration, any other detailing, please let us know. The My Shop Deal team will help you throughout the journey. And there is one more additional thing. So project के साथ 2 लेवल का बेसमेंट तो है ही है, बेसमेंट के साथ साथ one more additional thing which you will get inside this clubhouse. So what's that additional thing is the multi-purpose hall. So you have also such movie theater for trending the parties and all that, with all the lightnings and everything inside the clubhouse. So this is the another feature which you found it there. Thank you so much everyone.